there was no violence. So overall the situation is under control. Chief Minister, he has come to Jammu, he has reviewed the situation at Jammu, and administration has also asked the people to maintain calm and peace.
More inputs in on situation in Riyasi.
See, Sakal, Riyasi is also normal because in all these 6 districts the curfew was clamped just as a preventive measure so that no untoward incident takes place, and after that Kishtwar incident, the people may not indulge in some other violence and other things. And moreover, I would like to emphasize here that the Chief Minister, other senior leaders as well as people from the civil society, they have appealed to the general public that they should maintain calm and peace, and they should not give ears to rumors particularly. So they should be very alert. So it's a hope that if all these things